Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the banner style incoming calls layout into full screen style in iPhone smartphones. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me do a phone call on my iPhone smartphone. So right now you can see the banner style incoming calls layout is showing like this. So in order to make it a full screen style, what you need to do is just open the settings. Just scroll down below. Now just click on this apps. Now once again scroll down below again. Now just click on this phone. Now you can see here one option, incoming calls. Just click on it. Now you can see here by default you can see the banner layout is being selected. Now in order to change it to full screen, just select the full screen. Now you can minimize it. Now let me do a phone call again. So finally you can see we have changed the banner style incoming calls layout into full screen style. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily change the banner style incoming calls layout into full screen style in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.